What's up guys, Shane here. Thanks for joining me. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video is one that I'm really excited to bring you guys. We are starting a new build series here on my channel, more specifically a Glock 26. Now we're gonna get it kicked off right with a sick custom slide from my friends over at Southwest Precision. Now, this whole thing started off by me just talking to the guys at SWP and saying, I've always kind of wanted a Glock 26, and they said, let's build one. And that's pretty much all it took for me to get this build started. Now, we had a long conversation about what was the best route to go. We originally started with me buying a factory Glock 26 and having it sent to them to work their magic on, which is something you can do at home, you can do if you guys want. But we quickly scrapped that because SWP does offer its customers the chance to buy blank slides and then have them machine the pattern, the package that they want. Now that does give them a little bit more freedom in regards to the rear of the slide of what they can do. So again, that just seemed like the obvious choice. So we went with the blank slide route. Now, if you guys aren't following Southwest Precision on Instagram or checked out their website, you really need to. What I really like about the guys at SWP is their foot is constantly on the gas. They are kicking out new and unique designs and packages. It seems like every other week. This is one of their brand new packages, and since I got this, I think they've already released 2 or 3 new packages that are ones that I really, really want. And I'm currently talking to them about maybe getting one of those newer ones in my hands for a spare polymer 80 frame I have sitting in my closet. But yeah, again guys, if you are looking to start a new project like me, or you just have an old pistol that needs to be brought back to life, you really should go check out their Instagram or website because I guarantee they'll have something for you. Another thing that I really like about SWP is they are a one-stop shop. You can send in your pistol and you can have it machined, you can have it painted and stippled and sent back to you without any complications of it going between shops or potentially getting lost or anything like that. And they do top-notch work, which you'll see here in a second. Again, guys, this started out as a blank slide. I pretty much told SWP to just pick one, surprise me, and have fun with it, and I'm glad they did. They decided to go with their Cypher package, and it is a really good-looking slide cut. Now, not only with this, but pretty much with all of SWP's machine work, it has what I like to call a good mix of art and functionality. They all look really badass and mean, but they run even better, which is why I keep going back to them over and over again to keep having my pistols machined for my builds. I think that's enough rambling for me, guys. So here are 5 things to really like about the SWP slide. Number 1, if you guys get up close, you'll see that there's some really cool machine work here that's there for more than just looks. Number 2 are some aggressive serrations that you have here at the front and the rear of the slide. They're going to make racking this thing super easy if your hands are muddy, bloody, or sweaty. Number 3, the optic cut. SWP is capable of machining your slide to accept any of the popular red dots out there. This one is specifically machined for the Shield RMS, which is going to lead us to the next one. Number 4, the optic cover plate. If you guys are like me, you got to take these upgrades one step at a time, and I can't have this cut exposed. So until I pick up that red dot, I do need to cover that up, and SWP offers just that. Number 5, and probably the most obvious, is the paint job. SWP does more than just machine your Glock and M&P slides, but they also paint them. I told them I wanted a paint job that would, work with my black, tan, or OD green polymer 80 frames, and they gave me a paint job that absolutely does that. And believe me when I tell you guys that this camera is not doing this paint job justice. When I was getting ready to record this video, I was really looking for something to share with you guys that would be a drawback or something negative to say, because I want to shoot you straight, I want to be honest, but I really can't think of anything. The machine work on this slide is absolutely fantastic. The paint job, like I said before, is out of the park. It's great. This is something I cannot wait to run. When that polymer 80 frame shows up from stippling, I'll be sure to put a card in the corner. You guys can click on it and check it out if you want to follow along with the build. But yeah, this slide, I just cannot wait to get this whole pistol put together. For those of you who are curious, the parts that are actually on this, like I said before, we started with a blank slide. He slapped his package on here. I went on Gunbroker. It was the only place I could find it with this color extractor. We got a polymer 80 parts kit. You can see we have some red interior parts here. It's a little accent there. You never see it though. Underneath here, we have a factory recoil spring, nothing major. For a barrel, we went with a true precision 9mm threaded barrel. Huge thanks to them for helping me out with this build. They hooked me up. At the end of the threading here, we have a Strike Industries thread protector. These are brand new. They just came out. And also on top, we do have a set of Strike Industries iron sights. And you will see that they are factory height. That's not going to be an issue because the Shield RMS is one of the few sights that do still co-witness with factory height sights. And that is everything that is on this G26 slide. All right, guys, as you can see, SWP does some fantastic work and truly offers a lot to customers like me and you. So if you guys haven't, go check them out. Tell them Musty Yeti sent you. But that about wraps up the video. If you guys found this video informative, feel free to hit the like button. If you guys haven't subscribed, feel free to do so. If you guys are subscribed, feel free to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos coming up in the future. And that's it, guys. Take care. Stay safe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Let's do this.